no issues on the roadways. It was just a beautiful grassy surfaces covered in snow and no travel issues. I think that's what we're looking at. There's always some uncertainty with these winter storms moving into Texas and southeast Texas. So remember, there could be some changes to this forecast. Let's go over it as it stands right now. When is this going to happen? Sunday afternoon, Sunday night. What? Rain, snow mix, northern counties. Threats, no significant travel issues at the moment. But again, that could change based on how this actually ends up playing out. Here's the forecast, which puts a winter storm watch from Lubbock all the way into the northern parts of southeast Texas. This is for Sunday and Sunday night. Here's where it's most likely that we'll see accumulating snow on grassy surfaces and on rooftops and whatnot, from Brenham to Navasota to Huntsville to Trinity and northwest of that. That's where I'm almost guaranteeing you'll see snow up there. However, even in this area, Katy to Spring to Conroe to Cleveland to Liberty, Humble Kingwood to Tascasita, Tomball, Klein, I think you're likely to see rain mixing with a few wet snowflakes in this area as we head into Sunday night. That should be fun to see if it happens. But again, I don't expect any big travel issues because at the surface it will be above freezing. But I think that's likely to get reports of snowflakes flying there. Where is the storm right now? Well, it's here over southern Idaho. We started watching this a couple of days ago. That's our brewing winter storm, but it is going to take a southeasterly track right into Texas. And as it does so, it's going to do a couple of things. It's going to create a coastal low. And the track of the coastal low is going to determine who gets snow and who just gets cold rain. Those of you who are from New York and Boston, this is just like a nor'easter. You could think of this as a Gulf Easter. So as that system approaches in the mid-levels, it will reflect and translate a low pressure area down at the surface, and that's where it's forecast to form going into Sunday afternoon at 3:30. So the closer this low stays to the coast, the warmer it will be here in Houston and the less likely it is to get snow because it's just too warm. The further offshore that low moves, the more cold air it's likely to pull in and the more likely we are to get snow. So the track of the low is going to determine exactly who ends up getting a cold rain, a mix, and snow. And even in the Northeast where they do this all the time, it's incredibly difficult to forecast the exact track. Here's what the computer suggests is going to happen. So our coastal low is here, 3:30 Sunday afternoon. And then watch it going into 10 o'clock. This computer model, particular computer model, the GFS, puts it here quite a bit, more than 100 miles off the coast. That might be far enough south to pull in enough cold air to create some significant snow in our northwest counties. That's a possibility. So that's going to be the big forecasting factor as far as where the snow falls and how much we get. Here's what the European model suggests is going to happen. Here's Sunday at noon. We're getting a cold rain Sunday at noon, heavy snow across the I-20 corridor across North Texas. That is going to be a travel mess. We go into Sunday evening, 7 p.m., and here's your rain snow cutoff line. Brenham to Navasota to Huntsville up to Trinity, and northwest of that. You're going to get snowed on. Again, I think it's likely the deeper we go into the evening, Sunday evening, that we will get reports of snowflakes in the Woodlands and Humble and Tomball and Houston and Liberty and Conroe and Katy. Klein, Cypress, it's possible, but I don't think anything here would stick because it'll be raining all day. The ground will be wet with water, liquid water, and again, surface temperatures should remain above freezing, but you might get some snow there mixing with the rain. Here we are at midnight, Sunday night into early Monday morning. Rain snow line right in here between the Woodlands and Conroe. And then it lifts on out of here and we begin to dry out going into sunrise Monday morning. And again, I don't think we have travel issues here Monday morning, but you'll want to be up early with us. We'll be tracking it all on H-Town Rush early Monday morning. Now, all that being said, if you have plans to travel up I-45 north of Huntsville, there may be some icy conditions here on I-45, I-35, and certainly up and down I-20 near the Dallas area as we head into Monday, and that could snarl traffic up there for an entire day. I've been in situations like that. So here's another way of looking at it. In this white area, that's where accumulating snow is likely to occur. In the purple area, that's where you'll get a rain-snow mix, but I don't expect it to stick. and then it's rain from Houston southward. That's what the most likely outcome is. And again, the timing, 4 to 5 in the afternoon on Sunday is when it begins to turn over in our northwest counties to a chance for snow, and then it spreads across the northern area through the morning 7 a.m. when it finally exits off to the east. Snow forecast totals, an easy 1 to 4 inches up here across that I-20 corridor. This is during the day Sunday. And Sunday evening, Sunday night, this is interesting. You know, maybe an inch of snow on the ground here, College Station, Huntsville, Livingston. It wouldn't surprise me if we actually ended up with more than that. There's a lot of moisture with this system. Our color palette doesn't extend into areas getting less than about a ½ inch of snow, but Conroe could see a ½ inch, Tomball a 1/10, Brenham a ½ inch, Cleveland a 1/10. And so that's why I say, yeah, there's a definite possibility or likelihood that you will see rain mixing with snow from I-10 northward. But again, too warm and too much liquid for it to cause any significant problems. But I hope you get some snow. I love this stuff. So our snow meter. Okay, what about Houston proper, like downtown, midtown, uptown Houston, Galleria area? I'm going to go with possible. Forecasting these evolving winter storms as they move this far south is difficult because it's unusual. We don't have a whole lot of history with it. It makes it difficult to forecast exactly how it's going to play out just simply because of our lack of experience and knowledge about how these systems manipulate the atmosphere as they come this far south. So I would expect at least some forecast changes as we head through Saturday and Sunday. Maybe less snow, maybe more snow. It's just going to depend on the eventual track of that low, and it literally just a few miles north or south can make a big difference for someone getting a couple inches of snow and someone just getting cold rain, which is the most likely outcome for Houston proper, but it's possible we could end up with some snow in Houston inside the 610 loop. It'll be a fun day on Sunday. We'll be tracking and playing along with you all evening long Sunday here on KHOU here and online and on television. Here's Saturday's forecast. It's a beautiful day Saturday. Clouds will be increasing as we go through the day. 39 in the morning tomorrow, 58 in the afternoon on Saturday. And then Sunday, it's been a while since I've used the rain-snow mix icon there. It's a 100% chance for rain and snow in those northern counties, mixing with snow, the northern third of the area. Northeast wind at 20. It will be windy as well. That's a full-blown winter day by Houston standards, even with a chance for snow. And then we clear out going into Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. It's gorgeous. So a fun forecast to follow along with as we head into Sunday. We'll keep you posted online, on TV. I'll have all the computer models updated on the news on the TV side at 10 o'clock tonight. I hope to see you then.